Turn on the air switch. Turn on the machine switch. Click on to turn on the machine. Wait for the pre-combustion success on the screen to start using the machine. The 200-watt mini laser spot welding machine has small size, exquisite appearance, built-in water circulation and air cooling system. We have debugged several sets of welding parameters. Welded on stainless steel. The mark plus on the screen is for laser aiming. The laser output is controlled by pedaling. The weld is very firm and the weld seam is beautiful. Weld on 925 silver. Small heat affected zone. Welded on brass. The welding is very deep and firm.